Oh, hey everyone. I was just getting warmed up on my boom boom drums here. And you know that's why they call me Mr. Boom Boom, because I love to play drums that make a big boom boom sound. Now, do you know what this is? This is called a cajon drum kit. Can you say that? Say cajon.
Cajon.
Drum kit.
Drum kit.
Very good, cajon drum kit. Now I'm going to teach you more about my cajon drum kit in a little bit, but first I would like to sing our first song, which is Apples and Bananas. Do you like apples and bananas? I love to eat apples and bananas, but we're going to do this song a little bit differently because we're going to talk about different fruit that we think can go well together, that we can eat at the same time. So I think eating apples and bananas together can taste good, but what about strawberries and blueberries? What about peaches and oranges? So we're going to sing about that during the song, but I need your help. I want you to stand up and dance and sing along and rock out with me. And if you have an egg shaker or a tambourine or a hand drum or any musical instrument, I want you to rock out and play that as well. Are you ready? Let's sing Apples and Bananas. I like to eat 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 apples and bananas. If you like them, say a yum 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 yum. A yum 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 yum. A yum 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 yum. Let's see if you like this. I like to eat kiwis and oranges. I like to eat kiwis and oranges. I like to eat pineapple and mangoes. I like to eat pineapples and mangoes. If you like them, say a yum 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 yum. A yum 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 yum. A yum 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 yum. How about this one? I like to eat strawberries and peaches. I like to eat strawberries and peaches. I like to eat blueberries and melon. I like to eat blueberries and melon. And if you like it, say a yum 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 yum. A yum 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 yum. A yum 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 yum. Let's dance. Come on, everyone. A yum 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 yum. A yum 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 yum. A yum 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 yum. Back to the top. I like to eat apples and bananas. 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 Sorry to interrupt, but if you're enjoying this video, hit the like button and make sure you subscribe too. I hope you all enjoyed singing about apples and bananas. Now it's time to learn about our cajon drum kit. Now the cajon comes from Peru. Can you say Peru?
Peru.
And our cajon drum kit has three main parts. The first main part is what I'm sitting on. This is the cajon box drum, and we sit on it and we can play it two different ways. We can play it with our hands, or we can use a pedal and hit it with our feet. The second part of our cajon drum kit is the cajon snare drum. That's what this is here. And in order to play it, we don't usually use our hands. We use sticks made out of bamboo, and they make a nice soft sound on it. Let's listen. And the third part of our cajon drum kit is the hi-hat cymbals. Can you say hi-hat?
Hi-hat.
Cymbals. Very good. Hi-hat cymbals. And our hi-hat cymbals sound like this. So that is our cajon drum kit. The cajon box drum, the cajon snare, and the hi-hat cymbals. Very good. Did you know that fruit can grow from different places? Some fruit grow from right out of the ground. Some fruit grows off of vines or bushes, and other fruit can grow from trees. That's right. And that's what we're going to sing about next. We're going to sing the song, The Green Grass Grows All Around and Around. And we are going to have a special imaginary tree. So put on your imagination hat. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoop. Now, our imaginary tree is special because it can grow any fruit we want in the world, and it can grow more than one type of fruit. Our one tree can grow apples, it can grow oranges, it can grow peaches or plums or pears, whatever our imaginations say. So I want you to keep up with me because we're gonna put a lot of different fruit on our tree. So I wanna see if you can remember it all at the end of the song. Are you ready? Are you sure you're ready? All right, let's get up and get ready to dance and sing The Green Grass Grows All Around and Around. Down in the woods, there was a tree, the prettiest tree that you ever did see. And the tree and a hole in the ground. The green grass grows all around and around, and the green grass grows all around. And on the tree, there was a limb, the prettiest limb that you ever did see. And the limb on the tree and a tree and a hole in the ground. The green grass grows all around and around, and the green grass grows all around. And on the limb, there was an apple, the tastiest apple that you ever did see. And the apple on the limb and a limb on the tree and a tree and a hole in the ground. The green grass grows all around and around, and the green grass grows all around. And on the apple, there was a peach, the tastiest peach that you ever did see. And the peach on the apple and the apple on the limb and the limb on the tree and a tree and a hole in the ground. The green grass grows all around and around, and the green grass grows all around. And on the peach, there was an orange, the tastiest orange that you ever did see. And the orange on the peach and the peach on the apple and the apple on the limb, a limb on the tree and a hole in the ground. The green grass grows all around and around, and the green grass grows all around. And on the orange, there was a plum, the tastiest plum that you ever did see. And the plum on an orange and the orange on the peach, peach on the apple and the apple on the limb and the limb on the tree, a tree and a hole in the ground. Green grass grows all around and around, and the green grass grows all around. And on the plum, there was a pear, the tastiest pear that you ever did see. And the pear on the plum and the plum on the orange and the orange on the peach, peach on the apple and the apple on the limb and the limb on the tree, a tree and a hole in the ground. Green grass grows all around and around, and the green grass grows all around. And on the pear, there was a mango, the tastiest mango that you ever did see. And the mango on the pear and the pear on the plum and the plum on an orange, orange on the peach and the peach on the apple and the apple on the limb, a limb on the tree and a tree and a hole in the ground. The green grass grows all around and around, and the green grass grows all around. Last time. And on the mango, there was a pineapple, the tastiest pineapple that you ever did see. And pineapple on the mango and a mango on the pear and a pear on the plum, plum on the orange and orange on the peach and a peach on the apple, apple on the limb and a limb on the tree, a tree and a hole in the ground. Green grass grows all around and around, and the green grass grows all all around. That was so much fun. Were you able to remember all of the fruit that we put on the tree? Let's do it again. You ready? We had pineapple on the mango, mango on the pear, pear on the plum, plum on an orange. We had an orange on a peach on an apple on a limb on a tree in a hole in the ground. Very good. So music class is almost over, but I want to recap what we learned about our Cajon drum kit. Now remember, the Cajon drum kit has 3 main parts. The first part is the Cajon box drum that we sit on, and we can play it 2 ways. We can play it with our hands or with our foot pedal. Now we can also use what? The Cajon snare drum. And the Cajon snare drum we play with sticks that are made out of bamboo. Really good. And finally, we have our hi-hat cymbals. And when we put them all together, we have a Cajon drum kit. Very, very good. Now, if you have not subscribed to our channel, make sure you call a grown-up over and ask them to hit the red subscribe button. That way you'll be notified every time we post a new video here in Mr. Boom Boom's music room. Now, if you like this video, hit the like button as well, because that helps more people find our videos. Now, it's time for us to sing our goodbye song. I know, I'm sad about it too. So let's sing our goodbye song. We're gonna clap our hands like this. Very good, here we go. Let's say goodbye to our friends, our friends, our friends. Say goodbye to our friends. We had some fun today. Now don't forget, you are special and loved. And I will see you next time here in Mr. Boom Boom's music room. Bye everyone. Did you know that we do free virtual classes online every month? If you want to learn more, head to our website, musicplaypatrol.com/Mr. Boom Boom. There you can sign up and join our email list. I'll see you soon.